Welcome to this in-depth presentation on anomaly detection, a critical aspect of modern data analysis and artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating world of identifying unusual patterns in data, whether in cybersecurity, healthcare, or predictive maintenance. Through the brilliant efforts of our Leenabot students, you'll get hands-on insights into the mechanics of anomaly detection. This includes a detailed walkthrough of the code implementation, clear explanations of connection processes for building the detection model, and, most importantly, a demonstration of the testing phase, showcasing the end results of their hard work. If you're a tech enthusiast, data scientist, or simply curious about how AI detects irregularities, this video is crafted for you. So grab your notebook and let's uncover the secrets of anomaly detection.
This is the test code for our anomaly detector. At first, we import all the necessary libraries. Then we define the Arduino port. In my case, it was COM5. But when you run the code, it may differ. So you have to change this part accordingly. Then we have defined the buzzer pin. Here we have defined the buzzer pin as output. Then these lines capture the value of model and the image. When you run the code, this line will appear, loading anomaly detector model, and then these lines will load the picture, the image that you give as your input, and these lines deal with labeling the image. If there is an anomaly and if there is no anomaly in the image, then normal will be written, and if the text anomaly is written, the color will be red, and if the text normal appears, the color of the text will be green. Now, this part of the code deals with the buzzer activation. When an anomaly is detected, you will see this text, anomaly detected, activating buzzer, and you will hear your buzzer making a sound. And if there is no anomaly, you will see this text, no anomaly detected, and the buzzer will be off. And in the output, you will see the image with the labeling. You will see the image, and also it will be labeled as anomaly or normal. This is the connection between the buzzer and the Arduino. The positive pin of the buzzer is connected to pin number 9 of the Arduino Mega, and the negative pin of the buzzer is connected to the ground of the Arduino.
You've just explored the core principles and applications of anomaly detection, guided by the impressive work of our Leenabot students. From the foundational code to real-world testing, we hope this video has deepened your understanding of how AI identifies anomalies and why this is vital across industries. If you found this content valuable, make sure to like this video to show your support, subscribe to our channel for more technical insights and student-led projects, and don't forget to share this video with fellow enthusiasts in your network. We'd love to hear your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Your feedback drives our content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of AI and machine learning. Free class at admin@leenabot.com.